Good morning, afternoon, or evening. Thank you for watching Everyday Trey. I'm Trey, and this is the debacle that I have myself in right now, which is the Honda Civic. But that's not going to be today's video because unfortunately, I'm still waiting for some parts before I move on with this project. Today, I'm going to slightly venture outside, and I slightly said that I wouldn't kind of work on it in the driveway, but I put it sideways. I had room. So I put the Z up in the air. And there was a stress point in the exhaust. Because I think I was saying how I went into traffic and they have new pavement going on. Well, in that pavement, it dropped down. And when it dropped down, I don't know if you could see that. Bruh. I'm going to try and get this welded temporarily because I still have a lot of things I have to do today, but then I'm going to take it down and finish welding it and actually kind of cleaning it up. So hopefully this goes well. And hopefully this is the last time I actually have to go up under here for the exhaust. Like, this shit was solid before, but now I don't know if you can hear that tapping, but that is loose now, so here we go. Let me show you guys this before I start welding. This. Here we go. Don't fall down. Alright. This crack, if I can get my... Nope. That crack goes pretty far around, so... Just wanted to show you that before I start getting on it. But here we go. Alright, so after a little bit of grinding and welding and grinding and welding and grinding and welding, this is what is over here, which ain't the greatest. Okay, don't stay tuned for that. So even if I did hit some kind of a slope down, into new pavement in traffic down here, that was enough of a bump for it to actually snap, and that was where it actually snapped at. So maybe that was the whole issue to where this is the white pipe was bound up and actually rattling. So hopefully this will end it. You got to do what you got to do sometimes, you know. Okay, so got to get it done. I didn't want that to break because I mean that was literally probably like an inch or half an inch away from actually splitting the rest of the way and actually hanging down in traffic or something like that and getting caught. So I didn't want that to happen. So that's a good thing that I did try and stop and do this. I appreciate the encouragement via comments and everything too, because the parts for the Honda are, they're not here. They were supposed to be here. They're not here yet. The tensioner is here, so I got the new tensioner, but we ordered the oil pump even before the tensioner, and the oil pump isn't here yet, so I can't really get the rest of the front of the timing done and everything to put it back together. So that's my main hold up with the Honda, and that'll be here soon, hopefully in the next couple of days, and I'll get that back together, and hopefully that lapping job and everything went well. I'm pretty confident. I am pretty confident about that. So hopefully that'll start first time, the right time. So I super appreciate you watching and tuning in. And the new subscribers, thank you, seriously. I really appreciate it because that was that encouraged me to actually put this in the driveway. The reason, I don't know if you'd read the comment or not, but the reason why I didn't want to put it in the driveway is because this is on a hill and I don't have an e-brake. My e-brake pads, I took them out of my actual disc because my rear hats, because they were making a lot of noise, and the rebuild kit at the time was ridiculous, so I didn't even want to. So I ripped literally everything out of there. Even the cables that go to the e-brake are not there anymore. So I did want to put a third, you know, different caliper, you know, brake back there, definitely. But I don't want to. I'm done with the hat brakes on the inside of there. They are problematic, and I didn't want to keep having to take it apart and take it apart and take it apart. So I was done with that. Again, thank you for the encouragement. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one.